Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop, and today in the shop we have a couple of badass Mopars. So we have on the right a 2015 Charger Hellcat. On the left we have a 22 Durango RT. So as you can see, we have our awesome green and red going on here. So as you can tell, obviously we have color changing lights in these. And what I wanted to do was show off a couple of variations between the two styles of lights that we offer here. So on the right, on the Charger, we have a static type of LED. And what that means is the LEDs themselves are a single color and, well, they're multicolor, but you can change them between color, but they are not addressable. So as you can see in here, we're going to change the demonize. Let's go ahead and change the DRLs here. So you can see that we have a solid color DRL, and we can change that to any color that we want. We can also change patterns on here, and we can go to our 7-color jump on the Charger here. Now if we go to the Durango, we have addressable LEDs in here. So here we can do what we see here, but this is the line dance program. This is with the Blue Ghost controller. So there's pretty much endless, opportunities or endless, programs that you can run on here and set it to really, well, dance. In this one here, this one's called Cylon, which I really love because it goes back and forth between the two headlights. You can also do just a standard solid color, or you can do going back to another Cylon here. Let's change it to this one here, which will get you in trouble pretty quick. Here is a Crossfire one. So again, just a difference between the two vehicles here. Obviously we have the Diode Dynamics RGBW boards on the Charger here. We've etched the demonize, or etched the projectors and have demonize in them. And here we have addressable on everything, and we even have an addressable demoni inside there and etched projectors as well. So anyway, just kind of giving you a quick overview of two different types of vehicles that we've done quite a bit of work on here, especially the Chargers. This is actually our first Durango and happened to be local and in the shop, so that's amazing. But if you guys have any questions about either one of these builds, feel free to reach out to me via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.